Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and here we have the latest update on CPGET 2025 downloading response sheets and master question paper with answer keys and objections window. CPGET 2025 has recently released the master question papers with answer keys and response sheets, and also opened the objections window for various subjects like Master of Social Work, Master of Library Science and Bachelor of Library Science, and again MLIC, MSc Geography, MA History, MSc Chemistry, MSc Computer Science, MSc BCE, SFSG and MA Political Science and MA Public Administration, and MSc Zoology, MA Hindi, MA Sanskrit, MA Urdu, and our MA English, MSc Geology, MSc Physics, MSc Food Science and Technology, MA Psychology, MSc Biotechnology, MA Islamic Studies, and Master of Human Resource Management, that is mhrm, and MA Sociology, and MA Philosophy, MA Linguistics, MCom, MSc Botany, MSc Statistics, MSc Nutrition and Dietetics, MA AIHCA, and MSc Mathematics and MEd. So the candidates from all these subjects, you can go to CPGET 2025 website and you can download your response sheet, and also you can download the master question paper of your subject with answer keys, and also you can raise the objections. If you have any objections in the question paper or in the answer sheet, you can raise the questions by using the objection window. There is a limited period for objections to raise your objections. Some objections window will be closed in a period of time, so be careful. Read all the questions in the master question paper and check all the questions in the master question paper as well as in your answers in your response sheet, so that you'll be able to raise the objections. And to download your objections sheet, go to CPGET 2025 website and scroll down towards the applications. You will find response sheet, master question paper with preliminary key, objections on preliminary key, and get print of already raised objections on preliminary key. And here to check your response sheet, to see your response sheet, your question paper and the answers you have attempted in the exam, that is response sheet, you can click on the response sheet tab. Then you will find like this. You have to enter your registration number that you can find on your hall ticket and your CPGET hall ticket number. Then click on response sheet. Then you will get the response sheet. Here you need to remember, save that response sheet and download that and save it in your mobile or laptop or tab anywhere, so that they'll remove all these response sheets and master question papers and this preliminary keys and objections window. They'll remove all this data in a couple of days. In very few days they are going to remove them, so save them for future reference. And here, go through this question paper, check your score, and let me know in the comment box. Just write your score so that I can give you an idea that how is the competition and how you are in the competition, what is your place, and we can think about where you will get the admission or where you will get the seat. We'll discuss all those things in the comment section. I'm going to do future sessions. I'm going to give detailed analysis of the admission process and the counseling and the marks. Basing on that, we can discuss all these things. So let me know your marks in the comment section so that we will move further. And if you have any objections in the question paper, if you have any objections on the preliminary key, preliminary is nothing but not the final key. There will be final key. This is just a primary key, that is preliminary. If you have any objections in the question paper, you just write those questions and you just give the question number in the comment box, so that I'll discuss and I'll make the full video and what kind of questions to be raised and to raise objections and how. Yes, If we raise objections, that is going to benefit us, because if there are more questions got multiple answers or ambiguous answers, ambiguous questions, that will benefit almost all the candidates. The marks will be awarded to all the candidates. So for that, you need to go through all the response sheets thoroughly. And to download the master question paper, again go to CPGET-2025 website and scroll down towards application. There you will find various tabs and click on the master question paper with preliminary key. Then you will click on that tab. Then you will find like this. You will find various subjects and click on your subject. You will get the master question paper, that is the complete question paper with the answer key. And here I want to tell you that if you have any objections, especially the MA English students, the students who are appearing waiting for admission into MA English courses, check all the questions in the master question paper, check the key, and if you have any doubts or if you want to raise any objection in the question paper, let me know in the comment box, so that we will raise objection that is going to benefit almost all the English community. And it is same to all these students from other subjects. Raise the objections in your subject, that will benefit you, and also it benefits all the community of your subject. The students come under your subject. And to raise the objection, we have very limited time. So here I want to give you a gentle reminder that if you like the content, click on the like button and share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. If you like the content, it gives me motivation. And here you can see the guidelines for raising objections. They have listed out certain guidelines to raise objections, and the candidate should use master question paper only for the purpose of raising objections on preliminary key, as during the examination in each session the questions and options are jumbled. Yes, as there are various students in the examination that is under CBT mode, computer based test, so they gave the options in a jumbled way. So you need not to go with your response sheet. Here you need to focus only on master question paper to raise the objections. There will be question number, there will be a code for question number. You have to use that code, and also there will be codes to options. You have to use them to raise the objections, not your response sheet. So download the master question paper. The candidate has to map the question ID and from his response sheet against the question ID of the master question paper for a given day and a given session. Raise the objections corresponding to the options given in the master question paper. Yes, here you need to, in your response sheet, you need to find the question. If you find any question that is inappropriate, or that is having ambiguous answers, or that is having ambiguous question, if you find that as ambiguous, you can just note down the question ID in your response sheet. Then you have to check that question ID in the master question paper. Then you need to raise the objections basing upon the question number in the master question paper. Yes, this is going to be a crucial thing. So just focus on this thing. Remember, you need to find the question ID in your response sheet. Then you need to check under which question that question ID is placed in the master question paper. And here you can see the another guidelines. You can just go through all these guidelines. You can take a screenshot and go through all these guidelines. And the objections received through online mode only within the stipulated period. Yes, be careful. Here we have only limited time to raise the objections. So go through all the questions and all the question paper, not just counting your marks, not just counting your score. Focus on finding the objections in the question paper, because even 1 mark plays a major role in deciding your admission in deciding the admission and in deciding your seat in the expected university or expected college. So focus on the major questions and find the objections, and let me know in the comment box, so that we will go together on objections. And here the last note. And after reading all these objections and after reading all these guidelines, you can click on I have already understood the above guidelines for raising objections, and click on give a tick mark in the checkbox and click on continue, so that you can raise the objections in this way. And yes, this is again the gentle reminder, click on the like button if you like the content, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting updates on CPGET 2025 results, counseling, and further admission process. Visit my channel. Thank you for watching.